Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's turn the calves you have into the cows you crave with Hammock calf raises on the path of least resistance.
Find a steel pipe fence on the high side of a step, curb, or flat rock. Drop the handle of your leash over the horizontal bar, then pull the clip through the handle and pull it tight. Do the same for your second leash, then clip them together, forming your hammock. If you can't find a fence near a step, you can build your hammock around a vertical post. Just pull the handle of one leash through the handle of the other, then pull the clip through the first handle. Pull it tight, put it around the post, then clip the clips together. Step into your hammock facing the fence or post with your toes on the edge of the step, then plank back holding the straps. You can put a towel where the straps cradle you for added comfort. Stretch your heels way down, then lift them all the way up, driving your toes down into the step. Increase the resistance by working one foot at a time or holding weight in your hands. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Now take your calf from veal to steel with these Hammock calf raises on the path of least resistance.